In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. Open the FanDuel app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on your account balance located in the top right corner. This will take you to your account section. Now, tap on Withdraw Funds option. On the Withdraw Funds page, choose your withdrawal method. In this case, select Online Banking. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, select the bank account you want to send the money to. Make sure it's the same bank account linked to your Cash app. Log into your online banking account and tap Withdraw to complete the transfer to your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, open the Cash app. Ensure that your Cash app account is linked to the same bank account you used for the FanDuel withdrawal. Now, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap Add Cash. Choose an amount or tap the three-dot icon to enter a custom amount. Tap Add Cash. Then enter your Cash App PIN to confirm. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.